Hello everyone, this is Ben Bautista aka Chino Romero of California with
Rochelle, sir.
Oh.
Okay.
So everyone, we hope you like it. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair golden, leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they've all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home.
Standing with a baby's rock and try, and there's an old tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, her golden lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home.
Then I wake and look around at the gray walls that surround me, and I realize that I was only dreaming. There's a guard, and there's a sad old padre. Arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak. Again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of an old tree as they lay me near the green, green grass of home. We made it.